And boom guys, look at my dice rolls in money. It's actually generating. Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got unlimited dice rolls in money for Monopoly Go game, absolutely free, safe and online guys. So let's get
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task in this time and let's see does it actually work. So let's see guys. Okay, let me click here. And boom guys, look at my dice rolls in money. It's actually generating. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.